Hey everyone, I'm getting a lot of interest in this, so I wanted to just do a first time walk around. You're gonna see just how it looks. So yeah, it's got a fresh set of rockers but good frame. Cab corners were always good. That's original. Those cab corners, but the rest of the truck looks like it's the same paint it's always been as far as I can see. And tire depth, frame, inside. I think if we have it priced nicely with what's going on, because it's pretty much all their truck. Pretty standard, straightforward car. It came in with these on it. It's not too, there's nothing crazy going on back there. It's all back there. Cab corners. You know, she's an 04. Boy, beautiful inside. Not smoked in. Seats are nice. Really unique for one of these to have this nice of an interior. All the buttons, everything. That's always nice. You know, just a straight truck. Doing this very well. And that was a cold start for today. $169 on the odometer. Not smoking out the back or anything like that. We're just looking for the right guy on this one, or girl. You know, we're not diesel specialists, but we've been doing cars for 60 years. And I know there's a lot to these, but this one, just looking for a home. And, you know, something with your own financing, good credit, that sort of thing is what it's going to take on this one. Or we have some flexible lenders. But, you know, to be pretty good. Alright, there's one quick look watch. We've used it, driven it, towed some stuff with it. Runs great. Give me a call, 330-501-2948. Thank you.